Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we're going to dive deep into this AI website called Well.io. So we're going to explore the features, the basic pricing, the pros and cons about this platform. So let's get started. Well.io is a tool that help teams work better together. It's like a place where you can keep all your important stuff. Think of it as a digital workspace. In one spot, you can share file, write documents, and store knowledge. If you have a question, you can ask it there. It helps with all your email times process. You can organize your content easily, and if you need help, Well.io can provide that to you. I'm talking about the top benefit of Well.io. Well.io centralized knowledge base on the act as a robust knowledge base, storing all your crucial information in one place. It also comes with a standard operating procedure, which is the SOPX, which is developed to clear your SOPs. It also comes with an AI SOP platform and a resource hub for your workspace. It also comes with a workspace organization and up-to-date information together with an efficient search and a dedicated support. Now, talking about the best features, Well.io has some cool features that makes teamwork easier. It's not just a place to store file. It helps you see how your team is doing and help people learn. And here are some of the best features you can use on this platform, which is the analytic review. It also comes with an automated training process which can help your workspace and your team works better. It can also help with monitoring workspace activities and a personal hug chart together with a team performance. Now, talking about the price plan, it comes with a free pricing plan. We have the free plan, the scale plan, and the enterprise plan. So, if you want the more information about the enterprise plan, you have to get back to the customer service to ensure the price plan for the enterprise.